So we got this lakeside parking at this Target. It's so flooded. This Lakeview parking at Target. Wonder if anyone's gonna drive through that. Whoa! Someone's driving through our waterfront parking. What the? Look, making waves. Oh man, what is this? Oh, it's coming. The water's coming. They're flooding. Look how deep that is. They're probably like, why are you recording us? See, we got this nice waterfront parking with all these boats going by. Right in front of a Target. Nice. I didn't know Target had this waterfront parking. Then we went to eat at Pho Papa. Any more cars coming through? Any more boats?